Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a DIY for you guys, and it's a door wreath that I did. So if you're interested in learning how I did it, just keep on watching. Hey guys, so here are the things that you're gonna need. So you need a hoop. This is a 14-inch hoop. You're gonna need a sign if you want to use a sign. I found this one at Hobby Lobby for $3.99. You're gonna need a bunch of flowers or whatever you're gonna be using. These are from Michael's, and it's the little bunches they sell for like $5. And this one is the succulent that they have. They have a whole bunch of colors of these. This one's $5 too. You're going to need, I have scissors, wire cutters, and a little blade and the hot glue gun. And I do have some string. I think this is for knitting, just in case I need it. And yeah, I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna make this wreath for the door.